Hi, Bella. Bella. Hello. Oh, you want to boop the camera? You're on video. Benji's much better at this. Can give him treats. Oh, look at the bumblebees. In a diary. Hello. No. Sleepy kitty. Toe beans. Wrapping presents. Presents wrapped.
Hello.
Hello. We're making ambrosia, kind of.
Yeah, so this is the recipe, or what it's supposed to look like. So we'll see how we go.
That strawberry doesn't look good.
Oh no.
How many straws?
It says...
This is 2 punnets.
It says 2 punnets.
I
So
don't need that many.
no.
This one's a bit sad too. Imagine if I accidentally cut my finger. Do you like my hat?
Yeah.
Miss Benji. Apparently he went to the park today.
Yeah. He got to see some friendos.
Yeah.
You
Hello.
got some meringues which you're
Making a
breaking up.
mess. 1, 2, 3. The white one. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah, I reckon.
Whee! Sparkling grape juice. There we go, Mum's whipping the cream. The old-fashioned way.
For the gingerbread, they need 20 minutes to bake. Hello.
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 Oh. Do that again.
Hello.
Hello. Look at my Ambrosia, what's it called? Ambrosia Eton Mess. I don't really know what it is. Fancy dessert.
Fancy dessert.
Oh! Mum scared me.
Oh no.
I couldn't make this at home. Benji would be.
Jump scare Benji.
Jump scare Benji? Oh yeah, tell Mum about jump scare Benji in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, mix. Whee! So this part's the ambrosia.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks like yummy.
Yeah. That looks very nice.
I think we're gonna have more than the glasses.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can put it together. Okay. Ambrosia.
Mm-hmm. And the meringue.
1, 2, 3. Meringue.
And some straws.
Strawberries. Strawberries. What's next?
And then a flake.
Stay.
Yep, so just crumble the...
Not all of it.
No, just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, have it as bigger pieces.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one again.
Yeah. Repeat in all glasses till all ingredients have been used.
No, it's not meant to be full. That one. But I'm guessing it's going to sink down overnight anyway.
Some straws and a little more flake.
Okay, so this can be the Instagram one. Oh, I need to rinse my hand.
There we go. Alright, now we pop that in the fridge.
Overnight.
For overnight.
Truffles.
Hello.
Or rumbles without the rum. So
Yeah,
truffles.
so truffles. Yeah.
Chocolate truffles.
See, my mum always called them rum balls even if she didn't put rum or rum extract in them. Most of the time she put just rum extract, but seeing as I'm making a zero alc version, they're truffles.
Hi, Scout. Hello. Tried to get the microphone.
Yeah.
There's a loop.
All the dogs do that.
Yeah. All the dogs try and steal the the thing on the microphone. What's it called?
The cover?
Fluff?
No, but it's.
Oh, no, it's got a name.
Yeah.
Funny.
Oh no.
What are you eating?
Everything probably.
He's eating sticks and grass and stuff.
Oh no. Scout.
Bye.
The other dog spotted it. Yeah. Too fast. Can't keep up. Scout, come. Yes. Good boy. Oh, scratches. Scratches.
Yeah. Hi, Scout. He's a good boy. Good boy. Hello.
That was really good.
Hello. Scout.
Scout. Gotta pee first. Wrong way. There we go.
Good boy.
Yes.
Good listening. Good boy. Hello. Who's that good boy? Who's that good boy? Okay, good behaviour. Hello.
At the groins with Scout. Hello. There's a loop.
Hello.
There's a mum.
Hello. Little Scout.
Do you think Scout would like Benji?
Yeah, I think Scout would like
The same size. Oh, Benji's pretty solid.
Benji's more solid, yeah.
It's pretty hard to roll Benji. Because he's a big corgi. Scout! You gonna be in the vlog? In the Christmas vlog? It's Christmas Eve. Are you getting any Christmas presents? Oh god. Hello? Oh. Oh, Smiley. Hi, Smiley. Hi. Have you been for a swim? Oh, he's so cute.
Hello. I think he's an old baby.
Yeah. Christmas Eve presents. You want to load it? Luke,
Hello.
can you show your presents?
These are my presents.
Show the fun part.
It's official.
Some chippies. Presents for Mum. Hog. Hihi. For our Christmas Eve lunch, we're making charcuterie. This is the first one. And the start of the Santa.
Hello.
Hello, look at the process.
We're making a Santa. And we've got our berries and grapes because we couldn't find blackberries in the supermarket. And there's some pretzels and licorice, and then we've got grapes, strawberries, pretzels, meringue, marshmallows, and baby bells. And Ashy.
Here's the final product. Going for an evening stroll. The Hifket River. There's a Luke.
Hello. And I always comment because here the same spelling, it said Hefkit, and there's a town in Victoria called Heathcote which is said Heathcote.
Yeah.
But then the other river, main river here, which is the Avon River, or the English word is the Avon River, and I can't remember the Māori name for it. There's a suburb which is by said river called Avondale. Now, there is a suburb in Melbourne with the same spelling that is pronounced Avondale Heights. So I don't understand why the word's different.
Different dialects.
True, but same colonial...
Pen. I don't know.
Same colonial
it's probably
settlers.
just how people read it.
Yeah, true.
Getting your photo taken.
No, it's
Oh,
not
video log. Yeah, look at the screen.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Bella.
Oh,
There you go, little girl.
so old.
Hey, what happened to so cute?
She is cute.
There you go, little lady.
this one's had a bit taken off it.
I am making a dessert Christmas platter. All these things. Here's my dessert platter. What do you think? You can talk now.
Yum!
Isabella. Meow. Hello. Oh. Can I film your dessert?
Yeah, hang on. Yes.
Mum's making a meringue.
It's a wee pavlova.
Yeah, like a mini pavlova. That's a good word. Hello. Do you think you'd like Benji? Or would you hate Benji? Benji would just want to be your friend.
Yeah. Quite pretty.
Hang on.
Oh, I'm videoing.
Oh,